In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an instrumental in Suno AI using the best method in 2025. If you're looking to add professional-grade instrumentals to your projects without the hassle of learning complex software, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. First, you want to open up your preferred web browser and head on over to Google. This is a straightforward step, but it's where our journey begins. Once you've got Google up, type Suno AI into the search bar. What you're looking for here is the official Suno AI website. It should be among the top search results, so go ahead and click on it to enter their homepage. Once you're on the Suno AI website, the next step is to log into your account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, which is a simple process. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. After you've signed in, look for the Create button. This will usually be found on the main dashboard or in the navigation menu. When you click on Create, it's going to bring you into the area where you can start working on your instrumental. Now, this is where creativity comes in. You'll need to make a description for your new song. Think about the vibe, style, and mood you're going for. A well-thought-out description can guide the AI in creating something that matches your vision. Don't worry, you don't need to be overly specific, but providing clear guidance can help yield the best results. As you create your song description, don't forget to click the instrumental option. This is crucial because it tells the AI you want an instrumental piece as opposed to a full track with vocals. This step is essential for achieving the focus you're looking for in your music piece. Once your description and settings look good, it's time to hit the Create button. This process might take a few moments as the AI works its magic to generate your instrumental. When the creation process is complete, click on the three dots you'll see next to your created track. This opens up additional options. One of these options is Download. By clicking Download, you can save your newly minted instrumental directly onto your device, ready for use in any project or production setting you desire. And there you have it, a full instrumental created using Suno AI's innovative platform, ready to enhance your next creative endeavor. Feel free to experiment with different descriptions and settings to produce a wide range of soundscapes, and don't forget to explore more tools and features Suno AI offers to enrich your musical creations further.